R&R's continuing with really crappy 3D games and 2D graphics. After Drakkhen came out, there were also other poorly done games on the system, like most notably the Sega Genesis, as I will explain. Oh God, it's that big cat, black cat from Drakkhen again. What do you want?
I'm on Willow. I have got me egg in the crop down right. Me egg down post new right. What?
Keep killing me every time I step on your well! Fuck you! You have no right to do this!
Let's go, bro! You egg down now. I tried no thing in y'all.
Oh, it is on! Angel, come here! We have a huge emergency! This decapitated hellhound head or whatever it is out here attacking me with his laser eyes! I need your help! Let's go! Angel, attack! What are you staring here for? Get up! Hurry! This is an emergency! Let's form together! 1, 5!
No, it's bursting out. Put my boy in here.
Fight, Angel, fight him! Oh no, you don't! Stupid black shithead! You're gonna go after my angel! The hell with you!
Yeah, the down for pirates here. Go! Don't keep short with the egg down.
Continue playing your shitty RPG? No! No, it won't! Oh, get the fuck away! Hello, 911? There's a crazy laser-shooting cat head inside my house. He's gonna make me play another terrible, shitty RPG and he's threatening to kill me if I refuse! Stop laughing!
Fresh! Oh!
Die, you big cat head! Fuck you! You made me play a shitty game! Deal with my characters with your... He's dead. Finally.
Aha! I'm also cured of my backwards talk. April Fool!